Who are the three major Chinese philosophers? Chinese culture has three main philosophical thought leaders: Lao Tzu, Buddha, and Confucius. Let's take a look at the core philosophies of the three different schools of thought. To say philosophy in Chinese, we say 哲学哲学, which translates to the study of clarity in mind. Who is the most famous Chinese philosopher? Confucius is arguably the most influential Chinese philosopher ever. Dong Zhongshu integrated yin-yang cosmology into a Confucian ethical framework. Mencius, an idealist who proposed humanity, is innately benevolent. Wang Fu endorsed the Confucian model of government. What religion is in China? According to Boston University's 2020 World Religion Database, there are 499 million folk and ethnic religionists, 34%, 474 million agnostics, 33%, 228 million Buddhists, 16%, 106 million Christians, 7.4%, 100 million atheists, 7%, 23.7 million Muslims, 1.7%, and other. Who is the father of philosophy? Socrates of Athens. Definition: Socrates of Athens, LC 470/469-399 BCE, is among the most famous figures in world history for his contributions to the development of ancient Greek philosophy, which provided the foundation for all of Western philosophy. He is known as the father of Western philosophy for this reason. What is the mother of philosophy? Leisure is the mother of philosophy. Who is known as the king of philosophy? Several historical figures, including Marcus Aurelius and Ashoka the Great, have been described by ancient and modern writers as embodying the philosopher's king ideal. Who founded philosophy? Socrates is considered by many to be the founding father of Western philosophy, as well as one of the most enigmatic figures of ancient history. Who is known as the philosopher queen? John Key called her the philosopher queen, perhaps referring to the philosopher king Boj. Ahilyabai Holkar, the philosopher queen of Malva, had been an acute observer of the wider political scene. Who is the prince of philosophers? Spinoza's philosophical accomplishments and moral character prompted 20th century philosopher Gilles Deleuze to name him the prince of philosophers. Spinoza died at the age of 44, allegedly of a lung illness, perhaps tuberculosis or silicosis exacerbated by fine glass dust inhaled while plying his trade.